Yes, YouTube world, Zayla23 coming at y'all with another video, man. Y'all already know, gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding. I'm sitting in the presence of Binghi Cashawn, the Honorable Binghi Sean. Yo, I got so much respect for you, it's off the chart, you know? Truly God's son, you know, doing powerful works on the earth, you know? And so I had to bring this powerful brother on the channel, you know, so that we can exchange some wisdom, you know? Because we got all this wisdom we got to teach, right?
Yo, each one teach one, each one reach one. That's what we're here for.
You know?
We give thanks.
So this powerful brother, he's a farmer. He began the Habesha organization, you know, into like Pan-Africanism. He got like a couple of projects going on in Africa as well. So we'll delve deeper into that as well. Alumni from Howard University, FAMU. Powerful brethren. What?
HBCU,
man, let's dive into it. All right.
Boom.
So we understand the traumatic yet resilient and courageous history of African Africans being in America, and just everything we've been through, but everything we also thrive through.
True.
You know.
True.
What would you say, why would you say that we need to really learn like our true history? Like not what we're fed in American school systems. Why you think we should learn our true history?
Well, if you think about even when you build in a house, right?
Right.
I give you an example. When you build in a house, you always start with a firm foundation.
Facts.
If you don't build your house with a firm foundation, you may have cracks in your foundation, your roof may be off, everything may be off center. So we as a people, our true history is our true foundation. And so without that true foundation, we really can't build. We really can't thrive and succeed. So we need that as a part of our foundation of who we are. That's the one thing that's been taken from us, because guess what? They know that once we have that in place,
what? Hold on, say that again. Say that again. What?
It's us. It's our true history, our foundation.
Truly.
So we see that as what we need and what's critical to everything we do. You know, Marcus Garvey said that we must look at the world through the eyes of Ethiopia.
The Holy One.
Right?
Yes,
so we know that's a foundation of what we at.
True.
I'll give you another example. We out here in the garden. We see nothing but plants around
Garden of Eden, right here.
What do plants need the most, or where do they get their most strength from? Their roots. The roots is the key for everything.
Check the shirt.
Black
Check
to
the
our
shirt.
roots. Black to our
Black
roots.
to our roots.
Right?
Truly, truly.
So our foundation, our cultural heritage is our roots. If we don't know our roots, then we are doomed not to succeed, but to fail, right? So we have to make sure that knowing our cultural history, knowing our foundation in this world, what place we have as the originators of civilization, we gotta know that.
We gotta know ourselves. Sila. All right, so look, we're just gonna go ahead and just move into the second question, you know?
Let's do it.
So, all right, so the second question. All right, I know you a powerful brother that is deep into Pan-Africanism, you know, and just uplifting Africans really all over the planet. Wherever we are, you are. You see? So basically, do you think, because African Americans, we have a distorted view of Africa, you know, through media, TV, music, So just knowing that we have that distortion, there's some people that, Africa this, Africa that. Why do you think we should invest in Africa? Even though we might have not been born in the continent, but we know Africa was born within us. So why do you think we should still turn to Africa and invest in her?
True. Well, think about this. I'm going to get a plant analogy again. We are the fruits of Mama Africa, right? We can all say, even if we weren't born on the continent, we are the fruits of Mama Africa.
True.
But guess what? In order for us to have good, strong fruits, our roots have to be strong. Mama Africa is the root of all. So we got to nurture her. We got to give her that love, give her that sunshine, give her that water, give her that fertilizer, give her that nutrients. So that she can be strong, and in turn we can be strong.
Truly,
right?
Truly.
So that's why even if we don't return and repatriate to Africa, we have to have Africa in our mind.
Within, right.
Africa in our hearts.
Right.
And be proud to be African, regardless, because we know that many of us were already here when those Europeans came. We were already here. That's not even a doubt.
Ivan Van Sertima, they came before Columbus.
We already know that.
Right.
However, we know that even those who were here first came from Mama Africa. They didn't forget about Mama
Thank
Africa.
you, man. Debunk all that. Oh, I'm from here. No, Africa is the root.
The root.
You know,
that's
the
been
root.
So we don't even dispute that. Right? We don't even dispute that.
True,
so
true.
we got to take care of Mama Africa.
True. That's
Period.
a fact. That's
Period.
a fact.
Period.
Yes, King. Give thanks. Oh, we're sitting in the garden right now. You know, we could also call it the pharmacy because this is where we go and we get healed.
Of course.
You know, the God way. You know, the source way.
Of course.
So I understand, like, you're a vegan, you're a plant-based eating liberty, you know, and there is a lot of people that's maybe watching this and they're like, I can't let go of this flesh and da-da-da. What would you say, or like, what helped you transition, or what is the benefits of being plant-based?
Yeah. Let me just give a little quick story.
All right, go ahead.
I grew up in a place called Woodbine, Georgia. Southeast Georgia. I grew up eating, for those who might know from the country, I ate from the rooter to the tutor. If you don't know what that means, I'm going to give you a thing. What that means, the rooter to the tutor is the pig.
Yeah.
The rooter is the nose. Pigs use that to dig into the ground to root up things.
Yeah.
The tutor is the behind of the pig.
Yeah.
So we had a thing said we eat from the rooter to the tutor.
Yeah.
I grew up eating everything.
Yeah.
But you know what changed me?
What's that?
When I would see my elders, I would go to family reunions and I would see my elders tell me they got sugar, which is diabetes. They got high blood pressure. They having heart attacks. I started to put these things together because they were saying we eating soul food, but I say, is this really soul food when it's giving you all these ailments?
Right.
So I said I had to do something different and make a shift. So I was fortunate enough, in 1997, I saw a lecture by Dr. Laila Africa. African Holistic Health. I saw him in the flesh in Tallahassee, Florida. The day I saw him, I called my girlfriend at the time, who was now my wife for the past 20 years, and said, baby, I can't eat another piece of flesh after seeing that. It changed my life. And since that day, February 1997, I haven't turned back. Right? And interestingly enough, my family members who, when I would go to the family reunion and tell them I ain't eating meat no more, they would joke with me and tease me 20 years ago.
Wow.
When I go 20 years later, they asking me what recipes I can give them. Why? Because the doctor's telling them, yo, you need to eat more of a plant-based diet.
Definitely give thanks. I already know, look, we've been dropping so many jewels on this video. And I know it's some of y'all like, yo, how can I get in contact with this brethren? Like, this is a powerful brother. Like, he's a good brother to have in your corner, you know? So maybe what's some ways that people can maybe get in contact with the
and support the work. So simple way is email. You can reach me at info@habeshainc.org. That's info at habeshainc.org. That's one way. You can also reach us on Instagram at Habesha Inc. On Twitter, Habesha Inc. Facebook, Habesha Inc. All right.
Remember, I'm gonna put all this in the description so you can just tap the link and it'll take you right to there. Also, you're building the Kazi Project in Ghana, right?
Yes.
What is the Kazi Project in Ghana?
Yeah, well, we're building a repatriation and research institute in Ghana called the Kwaku Ando Sustainability Institute in honor of the world-renowned ethnobotanist Dr. Anthony Kwaku Ando. This is an institute to learn about our ancient ways of living, including building, growing food, our medicinal herbs, our cultural arts, and it's also a center that will be training people who are interested in returning and living in Ghana. We're building that right now as we speak, so we're encouraging our family to come to Ghana, particularly to the Volta region in Liati Wote. Come and build with us, come and set up some blocks, come and plant with us. You can support us not only through coming and putting your hands in the soil, you can also support us through your prayers, and even you can support us through your pocketbook. True. Providing money, giving contributions through our GoFundMe page.
He has a GoFundMe, you know, and I can actually put the GoFundMe page in the description. Make sure, look, y'all go down there, support it, and look, I'm actually boarding the plane, and I'm gonna be over there. So look, I'm gonna be giving y'all first-hand footage of what this powerful brethren is doing and what I and I is doing, because we're all trying to connect as a collaborative, you know? So if you're looking for like a bridge and you're trying to get to Africa and thing like that, really study this brother. You know, like he travels to Ethiopia, Ghana, all over the continent.
Togo, everywhere.
So I'm gonna put all the contact information in the description, brethren. And wow, man, just give thanks for the build, man, for the reasoning. You know, like, yeah, I've known the brethren for years, you know what I'm saying? And just a powerful brother, you know, real solid, you know? And I just wanted to share some of your energy with the world, you know what I mean? Because we got to feed each other.
And I love the family. Big up to all the Habesha family worldwide. Big up to all the fathers and the mothers. Big up to the farmers. Everybody who's uplifting Africa, uplifting themselves. And as we always say, together we will win. Together we will win. Together we will win.
Selah, you already know, gotta close it out, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding. My Lord, bless it. Peace and perfect love, family. That was an amazing build with Binghi, Cashawn. Peace to you, my brother. Peace be with you. I also wanted to announce that I have new soaps on my plant-based website, www.mynaturalroots.org, www.mynaturalroots.org. Abyssinian oil and chia seeds are amazing for keeping your skin youthful. It fights any premature signs of aging on the skin, as well as you can wash your nati with it, you know. And you see the Ethiopian vibes at the bottom, so it's official. So One Perfect Love. This is on the website. I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.